Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this brand new dashcam from the company Jomise. This one I have here is a Jomise K7 Dashcam. As you can see, this dashcam has a very compact and small design, but it's packed with a lot of great features. It can record in 1080p or 1600p resolution. It has built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and a 1.54-inch LCD touchscreen, and also a smart reminder telling you to move when the car in front of you starts moving in traffic. So let's get right into unboxing this dashcam. We'll take a look at all the features and check out the daytime and nighttime video. Right here is a Jomise K7 Dashcam. User manual. There's a screen you can install on your windshield, and then you can install the dashcam on top of it. And right here is a Jomise K7 Dashcam. Cigarette lighter power adapter. And right here is a power cable. Here's a look at everything you get with this dashcam. This dashcam uses a Sony IMX415 image sensor. It records in 2560 by 1600p resolution at 30 frames per second. The viewing angle of this lens is a wide angle 170 degrees, and the aperture opening is f1.6, so it can allow for a lot of light in for night vision. The operating temperature of this dashcam is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking at the bottom, right here is a reset switch. Next to it is a microphone. Now looking at the top, right here is a speaker, and in front of it is a microSD memory card slot. Now this dashcam supports up to 128 gigabyte memory size, but it does not come with a memory card, so you do have to supply your own. Looking at the back, this is a 1.54-inch color LCD touchscreen. At the very top, there's the windshield mount. There's a double-sided tape. You stick this onto the windshield. Now it also comes with a plastic screen you can install on the windshield, and then you can stick the dashcam onto the screen. By doing it this way, it makes removal a lot easier because all you have to do is remove this screen and the dashcam will come off with it. Now after you install this, you can adjust the angle of the dashcam. Looking on this side, there's a micro USB connector for powering up the dashcam. Now on the right side, there is a mini USB, but this connector is not used. To install the micro SD memory card, insert it into the slot. To power the dashcam, it comes with this cigarette lighter USB power plug. And on the back, you see there are two USB ports. The top one is marked 1 amp, and the bottom one is marked 2.1 amp. You can use a 1 amp port to power the dashcam, and then use a 2.1 amp port to charge your phone. Here's a power cable. Connect this end of the cable to the top USB port, and then connect this end with a micro USB connector to the dashcam. Let's power this on.
Activate your device via app.
Now scan the QR code to install the app. The app is called Hi Dashcam. Install it. Open the app. Agree. Add device. Next, connect to the dashcam using Wi-Fi. There's a device name. Enter the Wi-Fi password of the dashcam. The default password is 1234567890. Select Add. Activate now. It'll prompt you to enter a new Wi-Fi password. Activate.
Memory card format is incorrect. Please format it.
So as you heard, it's telling you to format the microSD memory card. So let's go to Settings, Storage Card, Format Memory Card. Now we can go back. Now if you tap the screen right here, it will enable the live view. And right now you're looking at the live view of the dashcam. Now this grid line you see on the screen is a guide to help you to adjust the angle of view of the dashcam. So you want to adjust the horizon of the live view to this red line right here. The middle button here will allow you to take a snapshot and it'll save it to your phone. To view the saved photos, press the Photos button right here. And here are the photos you took. To play back the recorded video, press the Playback button. We'll look at this more in detail later on after I have some driving recording. Let's go into settings. First item is resolution and frame rate. By default, it's set to 1440p at 25 frames per second. You can also set it to 1080p at 60 frames per second or 1600p at 25 frames per second. Audio on when recording is enabled, so the microphone's on. Emergency recording is on, so if the dashcam detects an impact while you're driving, it'll lock that video clip. Wide dynamic range is enabled. You can adjust the speaker volume. The boot up music is on. The standby screen will show you the clock. Display speed will show you the speed you're traveling at in the recording. Parking monitor. To have parking monitoring, you'll need to install a hardwired kit to get power from the fuse box. That way it's able to power the dashcam when the ignition is off. Electronic fence is not supported on this dashcam. Intelligent broadcast. There's a smart reminder while you drive, so the front vehicle startup prompt is enabled and the red light change prompt is enabled. Dashcam information. Storage card. This will show you the capacity of the memory card. Unit. You can set it to metric or imperial. Language supports English or Chinese. You can also restore factory default and reboot the dashcam. When you're done, go back. Looking at the LCD screen, if you swipe down from the top, it'll bring up the quick setting menu. Here you can turn on and off the Wi-Fi, turn on and off the GPS, turn on and off a speaker, and also you can mute the microphone. When you're done, swipe up. Now if you swipe up again, this will show the setup menu. Resolution. Here you can choose different resolution. Format, to format the memory card. Volume, you can change the speaker volume. Screensaver, you can set the screensaver to live view, clock, or clock large. I'll set this to live view. Swipe to the left, you can select language. About. Reset to reset the dashcam, and you can also reboot the dashcam. When you're done, swipe down. You can also swipe left. There's a QR code for the app. Loop video, you can play back recorded video.
Video recording stopped. Video recording started.
The installation guide will show you the live view with a guideline. Now we're back to the regular live view. So let's take this to the vehicle, get it installed, and we'll check out the daytime and nighttime recording. As I mentioned, to install this dashcam, you can install this clear film onto the windshield first, and then stick the dashcam onto the clear film. This makes removal very easy. All you have to do is remove the clear film, and then the dashcam will come off along with it. But you don't have to use this clear film if you don't want. You can stick the dashcam using a double-sided tape directly onto the windshield. Connect the power cable. Run this cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug the cigarette lighter power plug into the 12-volt accessory port. Turn on the ignition. The dashcam will power on and begin recording. This dashcam has a smart reminder feature which can help you with your driving. While you're on the road, the camera uses image processing algorithm to determine if the traffic light turns green and also if the vehicle in front of you starts moving from a stop. So if you're at a stop and the vehicle in front of you starts moving, the dashcam will notify you of this with a voice prompt, and the LCD display will also show you the notification.
Keep up with the car.
The dashcam will also monitor the traffic light if you're at a stop. When it turns green, it will sound the audible alert and show the notification on the LCD display.
Traffic light turns green. Keep up with the car.
To play back the video, you can view it directly on the dashcam. All you have to do is swipe to the left. Once again, select loop video. Now you can choose the dates.
Video recording stopped.
If you swipe to the left, you can select different video clips to play back. When you're done, to exit, swipe down. Once again, swipe to the right.
Video recording started.
Now you're back to the live view. You can also play back and download the video using the app. Select playback. Here you can select the dates. Here's a timeline. The blue section has a recording. You can pinch to change the scale. If you want to download this video clip, select download. You can select 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. Download. Now download this video clip to your phone. At the bottom, you also have the option to load GPS information when playing back. So here I'll show you the map and the direction of travel. Now you also have the option to take the microSD memory card out of the Dashcam and plug it into a card reader on your computer. There you'll be able to see a list of all the recorded videos. To play back the recorded videos on your computer, you can use a program like VLC or install this Dashcam player called Mini Player. You can get a copy of this software by contacting Jomise on their Facebook page, and they can email the file to you. This software is very easy to use. Select the drive for the card reader with a microSD memory card. Open it. On the left side is a list of all the recorded videos. Now you can play it back on the player. As you can see, this Jomise K7 Dashcam is packed with a lot of great features. It has built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, a LCD touchscreen, and smart driving reminder, which actually work very well. I didn't notice any false alerts, and it alerted me when it was supposed to. As you saw in the recorded video, the daytime and nighttime recording is quite good. I found the exposure, contrast, and white balance to be quite good, and the video had enough detail for you to read license plates in front of you. Now another thing I like about this Dashcam is its compact size. It's very compact compared to many of the Dashcams on the market. And this is nice because it doesn't obstruct the view in front of you. Now at the time of reviewing this Jomise K7 Dashcam retails for $199. I will include a discount code along with a link in the description below. Let me know what you think about this Dashcam in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.